Today I will show you how to use Gramfree site. Here you can see there are the number of roles mentioned, how many people you have invited is over here, watched videos, smart contracts. So to earn Gramfree every day you have to sign this smart contract. I have signed mine, and as you see, new contract I will get after 10 hours 30 minutes. Second way to use it is use free button, which gets active after 1 hour. You will get new rules after every 1 hour. You can earn gram also through this rule. See, I have won 0.1 gram about 1 minute ago, and if you see here, you can see I have won 80 grams in total. This is in 1.5 months. This is my level, user level. I am at the 19th level right now, and last one is videos. So if you watch your videos every day, 5 videos are there now. If you watch, you will get 0.5 gram every day. Thanks for watching.